just like me. Do it just like me. Do it just like me. You gotta do it. Yeah, yeah. Do it just like me. 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 Yeah, yeah. Do it just like me. Do it just like me. Come on. Just like me.
Yan, dumating na ang araw na ito at ngayon ganap ka ng isang dalaga at sana lagi mong isipin mga bilin namin sa'yo na lagi kang maging mabuti, mabait at marespeto sa iyong kapwa.
Happy 18th birthday, Faith. I wish you a future filled with joy, success, and endless love. May all your dreams shine brightly and may continue to inspire the people around you. I know that someday you will be a great role model to everyone, especially to your adik Faye, who is surely proud to have you. You are such a jolly and friendly person, someone who is easy to approach and easy to be close with. Happy birthday!
Today marks the start of an amazing new chapter in your life. You are officially a young lady, and I couldn't be more proud of the person you are becoming. May this day be as bright, beautiful, and full of love as you are. Sana hindi masirang pagkakaibigan natin. May your day be as lit as your personality, and your future as bright as your smile. I love you so much, Sophia.
So anak, 18 ka na. Sana wag mong kakalimutan. Lagi mong isa sa puso ang raming bilin sa iyo ng papa mo. Na maging mabuti ka, maging God-fearing ka, and always put your feet on the ground. Remember this anak, what you plant is what you harvest. So pag naging mabuti ka, aanihin mo lahat yon. So anak, mag-enjoy ka sa araw na ito at we love you.
Happy birthday, Yan Yan.
Happy birthday, Yan Yan.
Hoping na lahat ng wish mo sa buhay ay matupad and wag mong papabayaan ang iyong sarili lalo na malapit ka na mag-college. And always remember, nandito lang kami ni Tata, nila Mama at ni Papa to support your dreams. And that's all.
Thank you for being my best friend, lalo na sa tuwing inaaway ako ng mga kaibigan ko, and thank you dahil nakikinig ka sa mga rants ko, everything. Thank you kasi lagi kang andyan para sa akin. Sana kapag sa college life mo, tatatagan mo lalo, and huwag kang magpapaapi sa mga problema mo. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Be. Alam mo, kahit hindi tayo sabay lumaki, parang ang tagalan ng pinagsamahan natin. Sana sa bagong chapter ng buhay mo, mas lalo mong mahanap yung mga bagay na magpapasaya sa'yo. At kahit saan ka dalhin ng future, lagi mong tandaan na may kaibigan kang handang sumuporta sa'yo. Here's to more memories, more laughter, and more moments na tayo lang magkakaintindi. Cheers to your debut, Faith. You deserve all the love and happiness today and always.
Alam mo namang nandito lang kami, ni mama mo, para sa'yo, ano man ang gagawin mo sa iyong journey, lalo na ngayon na ganap ka ng dalaga. Sana manatili kang masayahin at mabuting bata.
Time